Hi, I'm Rob Zip, and if you can tell, I am at the Dallas Zoo. I haven't been here since I was like 5 or 6 years old, so come along and join me on the most epic adventures. Dallas Zoo. It's one of the better known zoos in the country. It is $10 to park and $19 for adults on weekdays, 21 on weekends. I do have a membership to the Houston Zoo, so I got a discount here. So I paid $20 total to park and to visit the zoo. And I actually have another adventure plan, so this is going to be a little bit of a speed run. I might have to eat my lunch here too. They offered to give me a map, and I said no thanks. I'm just gonna go with the flow. I don't need no stinking map. Save the paper. Giants of the Savannah. Let's walk through a tunnel. There's actually a street going above us here. It's pretty cool. As I was walking up, and this might be somebody, they have their own music. They're like, "Welcome to the Dallas Zoo, where you can do zoo things in Dallas with all kinds of animals." Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's not exactly how it went, but that's kind of how it went. And these murals are showing off some female scientists, some female zookeepers. That's a shark researcher. This is what a hashtag. This is what a scientist looks like. Very cool. Jumbo, welcome to the wilds of Africa. There's a cheetah. Take a little cat nap, if you will. In the foreground, we can see a hummingbird flying around these little honeysuckles here. And then way back in the distance, we can see the elephants. Way back there. Let's take a nature walk on the gorilla trail. So, this is supposed to be the gorilla area. I mean, this is the gorilla area, but a lot of animals are not out today, from what I could see. They have an indoor air conditioned. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. So it's an indoor air conditioned viewing area for the gorillas. Couches and everything. They just turn the fans off, but I don't see any gorillas out here today. It is a warm day. It's 97 degrees, so might be too warm for the gorillas. But that's awesome that they have an air-conditioned viewing room to see the gorillas. So it's too hot for people, but not for the gorillas. I mean, obviously it is for the gorillas. The gorillas are inside air conditioning too. I don't blame them. Look at the crane. Here, if you can see through the reflection of the water, the Nile crocodiles, you can't see their head too well, but Russell, these are gonna be the guys that are gonna be close to where you're gonna be in Benin. You're gonna see lots of these there, so be careful. It's a really nice little river fountain exhibition they have here for them. All right, let's go into the aviary. Hope we don't have birds poop on us. It's only ever happened to me in Chicago. That was a seagull. That wasn't even a... See all the different birds in here. I'm gonna keep my hand over my mouth. So if I get poop on me, it doesn't land in my mouth while I'm talking. Good, all these pretty birds. No, this is definitely not ADA compliant. You can't come up here if you're in a wheelchair or a stroller or anything. Put in a quarter to get a little closer view of some of these things. Yeah, they're just kind of all in here. Man, it's hot. And here is our chimpanzee friend. It's hanging out by the tree. Can't have a zoo in Texas without barbecue. Bantu barbecue. You also get your face painted. All right, let's go to the hippo outpost. Will we see any hippos? Comment down below, what do you think? Well, here is the hippo habitat. That is an awesome fountain, a beautiful habitat. And if you answered yes to will we see hippos, you were correct. There they are, kind of bundled together. It looks like a mama and a dad and a little baby maybe. I don't know, the perspective can be a little off. Let's try to see if I can get an underwater view from the glass over there. There they are. In all their majesty. It's really cool that they have the glass so where you can see them under the water. Here's an okapi hanging out. I think they saw me and they were just chilling and they saw me come up. They're like, oh no, people. Yeah, people are the worst, dude. I get it. We got some storks. We got a saddle-billed stork, and we have some vultures in there, hooded vultures, all living together in harmony. Flamingo. Here's another flamingo habitat. Another nice fountain. Lots of nice fountains here. There's the children's zoo. We'll stay out of the children's zoo with the camera because that's just not cool, man. There's a white-cheeked gibbon. Most of the primates in this area aren't even out, so good to see this guy. All right, here is the Dino Safari. It's an extra $6 if you're a general person, $4 if you're a member. I'm not gonna pay the extra money, but patron members and above ride Dino Safari for free. So yeah, I'm not doing that. So I'm not paying the extra money. Sorry, guys. Right next to it is the tiger viewing and the otters. So we got to see those. Actually really cool. Full tiger skeleton. Get around the side. Look at this guy. It's a big cat. This is their habitat, but I don't see any tigers out here today. Shame. All right, here is the otter habitat. They're regular sized otters. In Houston, we have the giant sized otters. You can see one of them was running around over there. They were swimming around over here and there's an observation window, but the zoo does a camper program for summer camp for kids. And the kids all came up and they were all looking and they kind of scared the otters away. So they're trying to get to their little door back there to go back inside. It's even hot for the otters. They even have a fun little train. They'll take you around the zoo. $5. This is a really nice shaded picnic area. I'm sure on the weekends they have this chicken tender truck going. Really big and spacious, a lot of shade. That's what you need on a day like this. All right, guys, I've been here for like an hour and a half. I have somewhere else I need to be. Saw most of the zoo. A lot of the animals were not out because it's just way too hot. But you can't come to the zoo and leave without exiting through the gift shop. So, whew, I don't know what this is. Let's do that now. The gift shop where you can buy zoo poo. Zoo poo. Hashtag zoo poo. All right, you can retreat from the heat in here and get your Dallas Zoo necessaries. You got the mountain making t-shirts for the Dallas Zoo with the dinosaurs on it. I love the mountain shirts. You know, I gotta get a sticker. These are iron-on patches. Oh. Stickers and pins. What I collected, got all kinds of magnets here. Smaller bags of zoo poo. How nice. Hoodies, which definitely are probably not selling very well right now. Some more magnets and keychains. This is part of an elephant. No, that's plastic. This is part of their, one of their former toys. So that's a rare treat. All right, I'm leaving the gift shop. I got a Dallas Zoo sticker to put on my car. It was $3.99 plus tax, or $4.32. They did not have any lapel pins. They had some that were the state of Texas, but they didn't have any Dallas Zoo pins. So missing out, but they do have a lovely merry-go-round here. Mom, you would enjoy this with all the cool animals. A lot of the animals we didn't see. Some dinosaurs. I mean, that we definitely didn't see that. Yeah, it's too hot for a lot of the animals. Come to the zoo in the springtime. It's when they're definitely the most active. But we're gonna make our way on out to the exit. Thanks for visiting your zoo. You're very welcome, Dallas Zoo. All right, guys, that's it for this video. If you haven't done so already, slap that like button. If you're watching and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I come to zoos everywhere I travel when I can. Don't forget to drink water, listen to metal, enjoy nature, and have the most epic adventures. Here's the car. We're gonna add the sticker right now. I got plenty of spots for this still. It's a small sticker. All right, we're gonna put it, it'll fit right there. I don't want to put it over there. I don't want to overlap if I have some room. Put it right here.